The Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 is BYD's latest electric SUV, and at $18,300, or about 17,000 euros, it's a head-turner for anyone who thought trail-ready EVs were out of budget. Built under BYD's off-road focused sub-brand, the Tai 3 packs range, speed, and even a drone into a compact, stylish package. Let's start with the numbers. It runs on a 78 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate Blade battery, delivering up to 311 miles or 501 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. In real-world use, you're looking at around 50 to 280 miles or 400 to 450 kilometers. The all-wheel drive version uses 800-volt architecture, cutting charge times from 30 to 80% down to just 18 minutes, with 237 kilowatt fast charging. Performance doesn't disappoint either, with 416 horsepower equal to 310 kilowatts and 510 newton meters of torque. It hits 62 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. That's 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Top speed? 125 miles per hour or 201 kilometers per hour. For under 20 grand, that's serious output. If you go rear-wheel drive, you'll lose a little bite, but still keep the design and tech. On the outside, the Tai 3 is bold and boxy, stretching 181.3 inches long and up to 76 inches tall. That's 4,605 by 1,930 millimeters. It rocks concept-inspired LED bars and even comes with an integrated DJI drone that launches while driving to record your adventure. Inside, it's surprisingly upscale. You get ventilated leather seats, a 12.8 or 15.6-inch floating screen powered by BYD's D-Link 100 operating system, a digital cluster, portable karaoke mic, and a chilled mini fridge. Cargo capacity hits 1,346 liters in back, plus a 151-liter front trunk. If you want a sub-$20,000 SUV that's trail-capable, tech-loaded, and anything but boring, the Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 just might be the best value EV of 2025.